Hello everyone. Let's practice to read CVCe words, also called as magic E words. Magic E is a word that ends with a vowel, consonant and E, where the letter E gives all its power to the vowel, making it a long sound, and the letter E remains silent. Let's read CVCe words with I as vowel. Bike, hike, kite, line, mice, dive, fire, five, hive, pine, ride, time, tire, vine, like, dime, bite, nine, life, hide, rice, wipe, ripe, pile, file, fine, wide, pike, side, mine, dire, sight, line, tide, mile, wife, dice, pipe, vice, tile. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.